Hi viewers, welcome to 70 Investments. Today in 70 Investments we are going to see this crochet flower hairband. For this we need woolen yarns and the normal elastic band. We will fix this in the flower motif we are doing, and then I am using crochet needle of 4 mm size. You can based upon the thickness of the yarn you can take the needle size. So first I am doing the magic circle. See, like this. Turn your yarns and then insert the needle in the second yarn and then pull the first yarn. So you will get the magic circle. You don't know I have to shrink it, and then do a chain like this. First in round 1 we are going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to do double crochets. Yarn over the needle, insert the needle in the yarn over it and pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over it, pull through last 2 loops. This is our double crochet. So we are going to do 16 double crochets in this magic circle. In my before videos I had given how to do the magic circle and how to work in the magic circle and how to do double crochets. All single videos had been uploaded. So you can subscribe to my channel so that you will get the clear cut view. So I have made some 4 double crochets. Now I am attaching this band, elastic band. See, like this. Take it as a circle ring and then do the double crochets. Make some 4 double crochets with this band attached to it. So like this. 2, 3. Just insert the needle inside the band and then do the double crochets. As we are doing the magic circle, this pattern is done. See, like this. And I had done 4 double crochets, normal double crochets, and then 4 double crochets with the elastic band inside it. Then leave the band aside and then do double crochets in the yarn alone. So balance 8 double crochets. We are just working in the yarn alone. We have to leave the band aside like this. Leave it aside and then work it. If we have done like this, the band is already fixed and it won't turn out, or it will be very perfect for the hairband usage. So only at the end you will know the result of it. I will show you. Nobody knows how you have attached this yarn to this. Like that it will be. It will last for long times. So like this, do 8 double crochets after that. So totally I am making 16 double crochets. First start with 4 double crochets and then do 4 double crochets with a band inside it and then do 8 double crochets. Okay. After making it, do a slip stitch at the top of the chain. Started with a chain, so do the slip stitch inside. Like this. And finish this yarn out. So if you want to finish the work in this first round itself, you can finish it off. I need a small hairband, like that means you can finish it like this itself, or you want to add more on means follow the patterns. So remove the excess yarn. This will also be nice. See how fixed this is. See, so it won't get turned out or it won't get worn out. The band is fixed with the work itself. It will last for years. So the excess thread, sew it inside itself. Sew it inside the work itself. Like this and cut the yarn. See, it's looking like a ring also. So if you want, you can finish it in this stage also, or you want to continue more, follow my pattern. Elastic will be very elastic. It's very useful for many. You can use it as a ring, hairband, or any kind of accessories as you like. Now I am changing the color for my flower hairband. So I am using this color. First make a slip knot with it. Insert the needle in the work. We are just finished. And then make a slip knot in the new color yarn. And then work it. You can take the starting yarn and you can work itself in itself. So we are going to make a flower, puff flower. Okay. So first 3 chains and then do, watch carefully. We are going to do double crochet pattern only, but in a different style. See, insert the yarn in the needle, yarn over the needle, insert the yarn in the needle, yarn over it, pull through it, again yarn over it and insert the needle in the yarn, again pull over it. Another time you have to yarn over the needle, insert the yarn in the needle. So 3 times we are going to do it, so that you will get 7 loops in the needle. So yarn over it and pull through all the 7 loops and then make 1 chain. Again I will explain you, watch it carefully. Yarn over the needle, insert the needle in the next stitch, yarn over it, pull through it, again yarn over it, pull through it, again yarn over it and pull through it. So 3 loops we had formed, 3 times we are doing this, so that you will be having 7 loops in the needle and yarn over it, pull through all the 7 loops and then make 1 chain. This is the puff stitch pattern. You are continuing this. See, yarn over it, again yarn over it and pull through the loop, again yarn over it and insert the needle and pull through it. 3 times we have to do this, and then yarn over the needle, you have to pull through all the 7 loops and then 1 chain. This is called as puff stitch. You can do as many loops you want, but 3 is enough for this flower. I had given many new patterns in my videos. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get a very good learning experience of crochet. Crochet is not about just doing designs and doing simple things, but it's like see, many tremendous patterns and many creations are doing with it. So I'm uploading the videos one by one. You can watch my channel and get a very good learning experience. So like this you have to continue this throughout the pattern, so that you will be having 16 puffs. See, at the end also you should do like this. Okay, 1, 2 and then 3 times you have done. Yarn over it and pull through all the 7 loops and then 1 chain. Then slip stitch at the top of the 3rd chain. We have started with the 3 chains, right? So slip stitch at the top of the 3rd chain. That's it. We have got our pattern. Finish it off. Get the excess needle inside the work itself with the sewing needle. If you are doing like this, you will be getting a perfect finishing, so that only we are sewing it inside itself. We don't need to sew it fully, just some 3 or 4 stitches you need it sew it inside the work itself, so that you will be having a perfect stitch, perfect work. No one can find out where it has started and where it has ended. It will give a very finishing and uprising look. Cut the excess, starting yarn, ending yarn, everything. So the work is over. See how it's looking. How a puff flower hairband has been made. See how beautiful it is.